So here's a video I've been waiting to make. I've been quite busy with some thinners. So there are several patches on this car with overspray or past repair work where some spray paints, the colour match is pretty awful. This is paintwork that was done a long time ago, maybe 20 years ago. So we've got some repair work paint here, some more recent repair work paint here that the colour match is pretty terrible, and then original paint here. So I've already been across this with some thinners and taken off that layer of paint. I'm going to keep going with the thinners, see how bad the door is, and probably find out why it was repainted. So after a while, with some thinners and a couple of rags, you can see most of the door, apart from this little repair, was actually completely fine. So I'd rather just keep the original patina, maybe do a small localized repair over there, over that point. Looks like some filler in there, and you can see where there's some rust. There was some rust there, and that's got some filler over the top. It does leave the panel quite dull. I'm just going to hit it with some Ultimate Compound and see how good the paint is. There we go. After a quick hit with some compound, got some nice looking paint. So yeah, if you want to go back to your original paint and you have some overspray, even if it's 20-year-old repaint, get yourself some thinners and a rag, and yeah, you're going to make a big mess. You're going to use a lot of thinners, but you should end up with some original paint that actually matches the colour of your car. Good luck. Cheers. This is the other side. You can see this patch here. This is the old respray from 20 years ago or something like that. And then you've got this, which is respray that I've done, which is Halford's awful colour match. Yeah. So, got my thinners. Some rag, and then you just want to just give it a good rub. And you'll see it starts to come off on the rag. so you can see the difference between that colour paint and the actual panel. Takes a long time, and like I said, you will use a lot of thinners, so buy yourself 5 litres. Nice big barrel of it, and you can use 2 different cloths like I was doing, one to kind of soak it and then the other to wipe off the paint. You can see there was a repair there at some point, so hopefully we'll be able to get a better colour match paint to go over that. So yeah, big job. Been doing that all over the car. And there we go. That's after rubbing all the respray paint off. So we've got a small repair there, and a small repair there, and that's the repair that I did in the corner there to get rid of some rust. The rest of the panel looks not too bad. The patch where I had to sort some rust out there. The rest of the panel should polish up, and we won't have any big patches of paint. So if you like patina, you're done. Leave it as it is. I'll probably be rubbing that down and doing a more localized colour match, just touch up. Yeah, need a bit of filler work, and then some paint there. Lovely jubbly. It's not the greatest paint ever. Let's just compare that to the other side, which I haven't done yet. Definitely better. Scratch right there, you can see. Definitely still some deeper scratches, but for just compound, not bad. You can still see some scratches, but nice shiny bonnet, better than it was.